Okay, so we're gonna be building a revolving door basically. So it opens like this. It's kind of like a shelf, or not a shelf, a drawer. Basically what I'm gonna be doing to it. So I'm gonna use this lounge couch motor, and I'm going to be trying to connect it to the sliders. And then I'm going to be putting it inside. I'm going to be putting it inside of it, just like that. And then connecting, and then seeing if I can get the motor, the swivel part, right in that wheel. Then then when I plug it in, then it'll just go. Okay, I changed my mind about the rails. I think the part that actually goes to the lounge motor will work better, because then it just rails it, and then you can put the motor in that, and the swivel part just goes in there. See those little teeth? And then it will basically just go in there like that. The reason why I don't put it like this is because then it can't really come this way more. But then when I go like this, it comes towards me, and it'll come out. Then I can just take it out instead of keeping it in there. Then I can actually pull the drawer out.